Craving that authentic Pakistani chicken karahi? Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect homemade chicken karahi right from my kitchen here in the USA. No fancy tools, no hard-to-find spices, just pure, traditional taste made simple. Let's get started. Start by heating oil in a deep pan or wok. Add 1 chopped onion and saute until golden brown. Now, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and stir for a minute. Time for the star 1 pound of chicken. Cook on high heat until it turns white. Add salt, red chili powder, crushed black pepper, and turmeric, all to taste. Stir well and add 2 chopped tomatoes. Cover and cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Once the tomatoes are soft, mash them gently and cook until the oil separates. Now, sprinkle garam masala, add chopped green chilies, fresh coriander, and give it a final stir. Your mouth-watering chicken karahi is ready to serve hot and fresh with naan or rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment your favorite Desi dish, and subscribe for more delicious recipes from our USA kitchen.